This video will show how to create a simple serialization in EasyMark Plus. Click on your first label, and then click on the icon in the toolbar for Series. This opens another window in which you can define the serialization. As you can see, you have several options for the type of serialization you can choose. You can choose an alphabetic serialization, decimal, octal, or hexadecimal. You can also choose a start value and an end value, a step value, a priority number, whether it's ascending or descending, and you can type in a custom prefix or suffix. After you've made changes, click Save. Within this window, you will see a preview at the very top showing you how your serialization will appear. And then you can click Save one last time to create the labels. That is how you create a serialization in EasyMark Plus.